Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and detailed insights on the latest gadgets. Today, we're talking about the best ear wax removal tweezers, a revolutionary tool designed to make ear cleaning safe, easy, and effective. If you're tired of traditional ear cleaning methods or using cotton swabs that can push wax deeper into your ear canal, this ear wax removal tool with a built-in camera is a game-changer. The device is equipped with a high-definition camera that connects directly to your phone, allowing you to safely inspect your ear canal in real time. It's equipped with 360-degree rotation and a stable image transmission system to ensure clear, smooth visuals. What makes this product stand out is its versatility. It features a 3-in-1 design that includes omnidirectional tweezers, an ear camera, and silicone ear spoons. The tweezers are perfect for removing large chunks of earwax, while the ear spoons gently clean any remaining wax without damaging the ear canal. The camera allows you to monitor the cleaning process with precision, so you can be sure you're removing the wax safely and effectively. The ear cleaner camera also includes a built-in light, ensuring you can see every part of the ear canal clearly, even in dimly lit environments. The built-in 6-axis gyroscope stabilizes the camera while rotating, ensuring smooth, accurate footage that stays in focus. You can easily switch between the tweezer and ear spoon modes with a simple touch, making the cleaning process quick and efficient. This tool is also IP67 waterproof, which means it can be cleaned after use with water or alcohol cotton. You'll also find 6 silicone earplug covers included, providing you with multiple options for different cleaning preferences. It's rechargeable via a USB cable, making it convenient for travel and everyday use. The design is compact and ergonomic, making it easy to handle and comfortable for both adults and kids. The tool is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, ensuring that you can use it with the phone you already have. In the package, you get the ear cleaner with the omnidirectional tweezers, a storage bottle for the earplugs, a charging cable, and an instruction manual, everything you need to get started with safe and precise earwax removal. Whether you're looking to take better care of your ear hygiene or avoid visits to the doctor, this tool is a must-have for your self-care routine. That's it for today's review of the best earwax removal tweezers. Make sure to check out the link in the description if you're interested in buying it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.